What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be starting on like the rears. Last video my toe was really bad. I recently just got the Megan toe arms. I got them used. Shout out to Luke for unseating them. The bolts were hella like tight in here. Couldn't even move or jack shit. Yesterday I didn't film anything, but I got the stock toe arms out. This is how they compare. And I recently just got a mic too. This is the Rode Pro Plus mic. I think so, yeah. Let me know what if the quality's improved or not. I'm still trying to dial in the settings and everything. Alright guys, finally got the freaking top bolt in. You definitely need two people because you have to, one, have the other person pull, and then for you to slide it in. Just remember, so like I took a picture of it, there's like a little, let's see, yeah, this little inlet right here that you match it up. Where is it? You match it up right there. Now you can see that I put the bolt in, but this has to turn, so it's gonna get like stuck right here to secure in place. Alright guys, sorry for like the lack of picking up the camera, but I'm just really focused on this. I finally got them on. The height that I went with, or the length, basically was, I just matched it up with like the stock ones because I haven't put my wheels on. The camera's not adjusted yet, but this is how it looks right now. And from the last clip I was talking about how this has to be like right next to it, so this is now secured, and I tightened this up. These are both tightened. The bolts have to be closer to where your adjustment is, so you can lock that in place, if that makes sense. Dang! I just adjusted the toe arm. Remember like the last video? Look at that. Bruh. Look at this fitment. Alright guys, so these are the lug nuts that I went with. They are the Stance Nation bronze lug nuts. What's up guys? This is a new day, and I basically been doing like these past few days, kind of dial into my fitment, my camber and everything, and I think I got it. I will give you a sneak peek. I'll not reveal just yet, but here is what it looks like at the moment. I also got the Drift Dialex tire pressure monitor, kind of like valve stems. Since I am running a lot of like stretch and shit. This basically just plugs in to the cigarette lighter, and you get all of the valve stems. Hey guys, it's basically the next day. I basically just tuned. What the fuck am I supposed to say? What the fuck? It's basically the next day, and I just want to get this last clip in to end off this video with the reveal. This is what we got. As you can tell, I am pretty happy about this new setup. I'm gonna be taking some pictures, so I'm probably gonna leave some in the screen, and hopefully soon I'm gonna make like a little video out of this. I don't even know what I just said. Oh fuck, I'm making one right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Damn! Woohoo! Bro, man! Hey, is this a manual?
Oh.
Yeah.
Did you buy them new?
Damn, look at that camber!
That's fucking wild, dude.
Bro!
It's not too much either.
Yo, look at this fitment, man! Holy crap, bro. Yo, dude, your fitment here is so nice too.
Wait, can we sense the club?
Oh my god. Damn, Brandon. Hey, come on, right. Good job, man. Good job.